and welcome to WBP Stars. We are shooting now at Cancun, Mexico in Nizuc Resort and Spa. We would like to welcome you to this beautiful property. We are in between the mangrove and the ocean in this beautiful setting. We have 274 rooms in our property. We have also an adult section as well as a family place to be. This is a wonderful place also to celebrate weddings and special occasions. I would like to let you know that we have a wonderful spa from the brand Spa from London, one of the top. And then we also have beautiful and wonderful restaurants. We have our executive chef, Sylvain Desbois, to let us know a little bit more about our gastronomy.
Thank you, Chaselle. Yes, we have 5 different restaurants, Asian restaurant, Peruvian restaurant, Italian restaurant with an Italian chef, great chef, steakhouse, grill, and Mexican, of course. And very important to us to bring the best product to our guests, and it's the place to be. See you soon at Nizuc Resort and Spa.
Thank you.
Thank you.